Good morning, children. How are you? I think you are watching everyday classes. Today, our English subject. In the previous classes, we discussed some part of the lesson. Remaining part we will discuss today. Get ready with your books. Did you remember how much we discussed in the previous class? Once I want to remind you, in 2008, Nick went to Hawaii to meet the surfing master and she accepted. Her arm was also bitten off by a shark when she was 12 years old. There I stopped there in the previous class. Watch the next paragraph. She was amazing, said Nick. She taught me how to surf and I was terrified at first. But once I got up there, it felt absolutely fantastic and I caught some waves pretty well. Nick quickly learned how to do the 360-degree spins on his board, a feat that got him on the cover of Surfer magazine within 48 hours. No one has ever done that in the history of the surfing, he said, but I have a very low center of gravity, so I have got pretty good balance. Nick is saying about Bethany Hamilton, she was amazing. Amazing means here she was very nice person, very good person. While he was learning, he felt very terrified at first. After some time, he got boldness, and also he did a feat. Already you know that feat means circus feats, like that. That is a 360-degree circus feat. That means a circle. With the surfing, he did the 360 degrees, one circle, one feat he did. So by doing that feat, within 48 hours, he became a famous celebrity on the. His picture was and published on the surfing magazine cover page. Understand? And also, no one has ever done this kind of the feat in the history of the surfing. But how is possible to him means he has very low gravity power. Because of that, he has no full body. So that's why it is possible to him. Understand? Watch the next paragraph. He has visited different countries all over the world. The football fan is now a motivational speaker and has traveled to over 24 countries, speaking to the groups of up to the 1,10,000 people. Understand? So he has visited different countries all over the world, and already I told you that he was a big fan of the English Premier League, football fan. Now the football fan became the motivational speaker. That's why he visited so many countries in the world, and almost he mentioned 24 countries. When this book was published, 24 countries. Now at present so many countries he visited, and up to the he met the so many people. That is the 1 lakh 10,000 people he met. Understand? 24 countries. Watch the next paragraph. He moved to Los Angeles in 2007 and planned to continue to travel the world. In 2009, he visited South America and the Middle East. In 2008, Kane Mihara, a beautiful young girl whose mother was a Mexican and whose father was a Japanese, attended to a meeting where Nick was the guest speaker in Texas. Understand? So he moved to Los Angeles in 2007. Already we discussed that he was born in Melbourne in Australia, but at present he lives in Los Angeles in USA. 2007 and 2008 he visited the South America and Middle East in 2009. In 2008 he was called a guest speaker in the Texas. At the same meeting, a couple of person and attended, and also a beautiful young girl also attended that meeting. Her name was Kane Mihara. Kane Mihara. Her parents were, her mother was a Mexican race. Her father was a Japanese, the mixed collaboration. Understand? And Kane was attracted to the Nick's message. From that time, they were in touch with each other to share their ideas and giving hope to the needy, and they became the close friends. Understand? So that's why when she attended that meeting, she was attracted to the message of the Nick. That's why they were touched and each others. They are sharing their ideas. They become the good friends. Understand? They become the close friends. Then after, finally they fell in love and their engagement happened in August 2011. Nick put the engagement ring on Kane's finger with his mouth and then said the most beautiful words every girl wants to hear coming out from her man's mouth, baby, I love you. Understand? So finally, first they become the close friends. After that, they fell in love and also they want to get married. That's why their engagement happened in 2011 August. Understand? So that's why August in 2011, Nick put the engagement ring with his mouth to the Kane's finger. Understand? Next paragraph. Nick and Kane got married on February 12th, 2012, and on February 13, 2013, they were blessed with the birth of a healthy baby boy with full body. Understand? And they got engagement August 2011, but they got married February 12th, 2012, exactly after 1 year. That means February 13, 2013, they had a one baby boy, with the full body. That means full healthy boy, because of he lacked hands and legs, but the baby has a full body, hands and legs. Nick and Kane wrote an inspirational book, Love Without Limits, together, and it was published in 2014. Understand? And the both also wrote one inspirational book. The book's name is Love Without Limits, and together, and it was published in 2014. They both wrote this book, The Love Without Limits. This book was published in 2014. Next paragraph. If I fail, I try again and again and again. If you fail, are you going to try again? The human spirit can handle much worse than we realize. It matters how you are going to finish. Are you going to finish strong? Said Nick. Understand? Here, a beautiful quotation is there. If I fail, I try again and again and again. If you fail, are you going to try again? That means if you fail any attempt, are you doing the same attempt again and again till you reach your goal? That's why he is saying like that. The human spirit can handle much worse than realize. That means our body can't afford the pain and some sorrows and worries, but our spirit can handle, afford our the more woes and everything, the difficulties and sorrows also. And it matters how you are going to finish. Are you going to finish strong? Said Nick. That means it is not matter how much you suffered, how much you worried, but finally are you going to finish your task. That means are you going to reach your destiny. That is, understand. And next paragraph. I tell people to keep on getting up when they fall and to always love themselves, he said. Understand? He is giving the message to the people. I tell the people to keep on getting up when they fall. That means sometimes while we are walking, sometimes we may fall. That means we have to keep on getting up. That means we are keep on our attempts till we reach our goal and also till our finish our task. And if I can encourage just one person, then my job in this life is done. The last statement is that if I encourage one person in the world, my job is finished in this world. Not only one person, so many persons he encouraged, he inspired so many persons. Understand? If you want to more about him, you can see that already given the one address also there, email address also there, you can type. And if you want to see that about him, you want to know about him, you can watch in YouTube also. You can type Nick Vijaysikh, that is full name, you can get some videos. Understand? Now he has present 3 babies. First one boy, then after 2 girls, totally 3 children. Understand? So this is the lesson. Understand? So what is the moral we can learn? The lesson name is that attitude is altitude. we have to set our goals very high and we have to reach. And also, what is the name of the unit name? Personality development. Understand? So here he had a good qualities and also became the prominent persons in the society. Understand? So they became a great celebrity in the an international way, not only national way, international way. Understand? He has no legs and arms, also he became the great symbol. And also he is giving the courage to the people. If you see the YouTube, and while he is giving the speech, so many people were crying by his speech. They come near and also they hugged him. Understand? You can also watch that videos is available in the YouTube and watch it. The first lesson is completed. Understand, children?